Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best jig saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SKIL 6 Amp Corded Jig Saw. The SKIL 6 Amp Corded Jig Saw JS3131-00 is a powerful tool that delivers precision on a wide range of applications. With a 4-stage orbital function, speed control, and dust-blowing function, this jigsaw is packed with features that make it stand out from the rest. The 2-finger trigger provides increased control, while the tool-free blade clamp allows for easy blade changes in a matter of seconds. The bright halo light provides 10x more light than standard LED, making it easy to light up your workspace and reduce shadows. Additionally, the shoe bevel can be easily adjusted for angled cutting without the need for a tool. Moving on, at number 4, we have the WEN 33606 6.6 AMP Variable Speed Orbital Jig Saw. The WEN 33606 6.6 AMP Variable Speed Orbital Jig Saw is a powerful and versatile tool that features a 4-position orbital selection knob, an onboard laser and LED light, a 6.6 amp variable speed motor, and a 1/2-inch dust port. It is suitable for cutting wood, plastic, and metal, and is equipped with a lock-on trigger switch, a beveling footplate, and a non-marring shoe. Customers report that it is an excellent value for the price, with a powerful motor and 3 orbital settings, but some have experienced issues with the dust port and blade assembly. At number 3, we have the Black + Decker Jig Saw. The Black + Decker Jig Saw 4.5 Amp BDJS300C is a powerful, variable speed corded electric jig saw that is designed for easy maneuverability and reduced vibration. It features a 3/4-in stroke length for cutting wood, metal, and more materials, a 4.5 amp motor that generates up to 3,000 SPM of cutting power, a base plate that tilts to make beveled cuts up to 45 degrees, a quick clamp for tool-free blade changes, and a built-in dust blower. Customers have praised its reliability, power, and versatility, although some have noted that it only comes with 1 wood blade. At number 2, we have the DeWalt 20V MAX XR Jig Saw. The DeWalt 20V MAX XR Jig Saw is a powerful cordless jig saw that features a brushless motor for efficient performance, a compact size for easy grip and maximum control, and a bright LED to illuminate dimly lit work surfaces. It also has a variable speed trigger and dial for precise speed control, an all-metal lever-action keyless blade change for quick and easy T-shank blade changes, and an integrated dust blower to help clear line of sight while cutting. With its 4-position orbital action, no-mar shoe cover, and T-shank jigsaw blades, this jigsaw is perfect for metalworking and other professional projects. And finally, at number 1, we have the SKIL JS3131-00 Corded Jig Saw. The SKIL Jig Saw is designed to enhance your cutting experience with its impressive features. Its 4-stage orbital function allows you to cut through various materials smoothly, making it ideal for different projects. You can easily adjust the speed for optimal performance, ensuring you achieve the best results for every task. The brake function adds precision to your cuts, allowing for clean finishes. Additionally, the shoe bevel adjustment enables angled cuts, giving you flexibility in your work. With a dust-blowing switch, you can maintain a clear view of your cutting line, helping you stay on track. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.